Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria, and in today's video we are going to do a beautiful different project. For this I have taken 24 inches round MDF board, and in this I am marking the center point using the scale, measuring all sides, and after that I have taken a very big compass to create circles so that the work I am going to do that will be very perfect in round pattern. So first I have marked this all the circles, and later I have sticked a round mirror which I already have. Even this you get in online, so just see that you are sticking it very properly and fixing it properly. And then I have taken white M-seal in equal portions and mixed it very well. The main thing all that is there in mixing this M-seal. Okay, mix it very well using powder so that doesn't stick to your hands, and use powder to make a lengthy rope like thing with this mixture whatever we have mixed it. And after that stick it around the mirror with the fevicol. So make again and again. So I have created few circles, and I'm going to fix all the circle. I'm going to apply this M-seal one around all the circles, on all the circles. Okay, and after this I'm going to take my palette knife and give like a leaf like texture, some rope like texture, whatever can be formed with this. So I have made this giving some rope like structure, give it the palette knife. So again fixing all the M-seal with the fevicol for the total circles whatever I have made. After this I'm going to use mirrors, and see that when you're forming the circle it is properly on the line. Okay, this is more important. Fix it properly and leave it to dry, and after it dries very fast, within minutes it dries, so be careful. Mix only little of M-seal, don't mix total pack whatever you get it, so that again becomes difficult for you to manage it. So you take little parts, small parts, and fix it and make the rope and fix it with the fevicol. After this we are going to use mirrors. As this is a mirror work, we are going to use mirrors, but before that I'm using camel artist colors for coloring the project. So just let me finish this and we'll start coloring. Meanwhile you can enjoy the music in the background. Yes, this is completely done, and I just left this to dry for a few minutes, and after this I started coloring my work. So first clean everything with the plain brush, and then start coloring it. So here I have used first medium yellow in camel artist colors, and then I have taken cadmium orange. This is cadmium orange, and on the top I have taken red color. So I have given even a second coat for this, and this was looking amazing. After this I started placing the mirrors in the rounds, and I have given different shapes and all. You all can give your own thought, your own ideas, you can keep it there and fix it, and this looks awesome. I hope you all like this video. Any doubts you can just message me in the comment section. And thanks for watching. I think you liked this video, and if you like the video, please like it and share the video if at all you like it, and if at all you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Enjoy drawing and keep on doing different works. Bye bye. Take care.